Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Today the can out share my video. Remember to subscribe. Now share to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. We experience dried tuna fish in an oven. Where me tuna no. We bet try size in our panel. Uchi try we pe na wa yi ne bu ni nyina. Wawie no na wakọ ohoro ho. Ohoro we pe na wo the salt egu ho. Fish season aka ho. Na wa mix ni nyina together. Ba wo the oil kakra de ebeka ho. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Yalla kogu ade a wo be den, wo be ko she oven mu. Wo de be she oven for 45 minutes. But time bia wo ho a say wo yi no wada ne da no. Se ne nyina den ebe bin yie. Wunda ne dane nyina na awia na wo sanda kwa akɔhye mu bag ekosi tama ensuo ne betwe afiri mu nyina. Enti aha no aye ready no wa manajo ansa na wa store wo pese wo ye nkwan na wayi aye. If ma trust ne di kan a wo hwe me video a memma rain subscribe na wa share na wa like na wa mia notification bell no say me di video pia beto wa wonsa beka. Now this our dried tuna fish. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.